in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to do another DIY flower backdrop, flower wall for only $15, boo-boo. Okay, $15 in Jesus' name. Hallelujah. So yeah, so just watch me do what I do. Okay, it's gonna be very quick, I think. So yeah, links will be in the comment section, okay? And make sure you subscribe and become a boo-boo whiskey, okay? What the backdrop looks like. Ew, girl, ew. Okay, yum, boo, yum. Okay, you guys, here is the final look. Y'all, like, tell me that this don't look real. Come on now, boo. Tell me that this don't look like no 3,500 flower wall. Backdrop, flower, backdrop. Okay. Save your coins, boo. I got this off of Amazon, okay? You can get it too. Bars. But yo, like, this is so pretty. Like, who, girl? Who, Boo Whiskey? Girl, they ain't got nothing on this. Okay? Girl. Get it. It was only $15. Get it, boo. Okay? So I bought this for an event, right, you guys? And everybody loved it. It was very last minute as well, okay? And everybody loved it, okay? Oh, and you do not have to, like, print out nothing or whatever. This is just one of their little collections or whatever. So they have several little backdrops. So yeah. Okay. So the reason why you see me in this shirt right here is because the other shirt I had on, I noticed that it was old and it was not good anymore, and it had a stain on it as well. So, and this one have a stain on it too. I got lipstick on it right there. So yeah, I just want y'all to see this. And this backdrop, it really is just so pretty, you guys. You guys see the kitty because it's so gorgeous. But I have more videos coming. I have more DIY videos as far as like decorating and event decorating. Because if you guys don't know, my channel is about interior design, interior decorating, and event decorating DIYs. And eventually I want to get back to doing daily vlogs and whatever. But until we get enough Boo Boo Whiskies who can fill up the comment section for at least 5 comments a day, like a video or whatever, then I go back to daily vlog. But until then, y'all just gonna get like a video every week, you know. So I'm gonna post a video every week, and sometimes I might post a video, like 2 videos every week or 3 videos once a week or something. But you will see a new video every single week, okay? Just know, so many things is about to happen. I have so many things I'm doing or whatever. And yeah, so I'm just so excited, you guys. I'm just so excited. So make sure you subscribe for more videos to come. And if you see all this little fuzz and stuff like that, don't worry about it. Your eyes ain't playing tricks on you. It's free. Okay. Pause. Please excuse the right side of my hair. Okay, my bad. I bumped into something. But yeah, you guys. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see y'all later. Okay. What the YouTubers be doing?
They be like, they be like, you ready, y'all? They be like,
Crack myself up, girl. Crack myself up. Bye, boo.